Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel. I look crazy, but today I'll be putting in some Yaki straight clip-ins from CurlsQueens, and look at them, y'all. Look how full and thick and luscious they are. I'm about to straighten it a little bit, just a little bit, to get like the dents out. But this is 10 clips. It comes with 10 of them. I have my hair slit back, kinda, and I'm gonna just tuck these braids in one another. And I believe it'll be enough to cover it, and this is gonna be my leave out. I just blow dried it, so I'm about to put the clip-ins in. It's 2 of each. I think so. It's 2 5-clip ones, 2 5-clip ones, 2 4-clip ones, 2 3-clip ones, and 4 2-clip ones, if that makes sense. And I like to start off with a 3-clip and go straight to 5, then another 5, then 4, then 3, and then the 2s, if that makes sense. I'm gonna put everything on top of the braid, since it's like not really sleek or slick back all the way. Like, I have a whole bunch of hair still out. I'm gonna kind of put this on top of it, but like also in the middle of the braids, like on top, like right on top, right here. Right beside each other. I'm gonna start on the sides. Put it across the back. And this will be the last one. Up into the back. Like this. And I'm gonna put 2 2-clip ones on each side in the front. Okay, so now I'm just gonna detangle and straighten the hair. Okay, so it's time for the leave out. two very front pieces, and that's it. And I'm gonna grip it with the clip in here, but you already see how good that blends in together. I'm gonna do my edges off camera. I just did my edges. I don't like to do too much when my hair is straight with the edges. So real simple, real cute. It's giving Pocahontas, black Pocahontas. This will be it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have more content coming for y'all soon, really good shit. And I love y'all. Like, y'all, I'm tired. But it sounds so ingenuous, so I had to stop. But like, seriously, I do love y'all. It's just that I'm tired, and I really do have good shit coming. It's just like I try to fake enthusiasm, and it faked the message, but the message was always real, the enthusiasm was fake.